Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video, guys. Some of you have been asking me how can I use PayPal to make payments. If I want to make payments, even when I don't have PayPal funds, I don't have funds in my PayPal account. What I'm about to show you is how I've been able to do this. I don't have funds on this PayPal account. Let me go ahead to refresh and show you guys. So if I go back to this home page, you see that this account is currently very empty. Let me scroll down and show you guys properly. So if I scroll down, you see that this account is probably empty, but I've been able to carry out transactions. You can see I've been able to make payments to some companies that I use for my web hosting and website stuff. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do this real quick. So all I want you to do is to watch this video till the end. Now if you have a PayPal account and you have been looking for a way to make payments, just like you see on the screen here, I pay $10 to this company even when I don't have PayPal funds. I'm going to show you how to link a card. Now this card, you're going to get it from this platform called geekpay.africa. This is the platform geekpay.africa. Now if you come over to this section, you're going to see this section called cards. When you click on it, you're going to see this is my own card on the platform, and currently I don't have any balance on it. But from here, if I go back to this dashboard and scroll down to this transaction, you see that PayPal charged me 10.60, and which is this transaction I showed you guys right here, which is this one. So if you are interested, make sure you keep watching so that I can guide you on how you can go ahead to set up this thing, add a card to your PayPal account, and fund this platform called GeekPay. As you can see here, their rate is pretty much high, but it's okay if you want to make payments. You're going to buy dollars from them, fund your card, and then pay with your PayPal. So keep watching as I'm going to guide you on how to set this thing up. Thank you very much. Guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to link a card to your PayPal account. So a lot of you guys have been asking me, how can I link a card to my PayPal account? Either you want to make payments with your card or you want to make payments with PayPal, but you just want to link a card to your PayPal so that you can be able to make payment at least. Then watch this video till the end. Okay, so what you need to do, the first thing you need to do, of course, you need to have a PayPal account. So once you have a PayPal account, then you need to make sure you have your card ready. Now if you have a physical card, that's okay, but for those of you who don't have a physical card and you are looking for the virtual card that actually works with PayPal, the one I can recommend to you guys is this one, geekpay.africa. This one, if you're in Africa, of course. Now if you're not in Africa, you can try Payoneer. I've actually linked Payoneer card to my PayPal and I've used it to make payments. But if you're in Africa or something, you can try geekpay.africa, this one. And once you have this account set up already, next thing you want to do is you want to go make sure you create a card. You can easily create a card by clicking this section, and they are going to charge you either $1 or $2. I don't know, I've forgotten what their charges are, but very small. They are going to create this virtual card for you, and once they create this virtual card for you, all you just need to do is to now top up your card. So how do you top up your card? It's very simple. All you need to do is come to the dashboard. You're going to see that they have different amount, they sell different currencies. So they're going to buy from you at 1,608 naira as at the time I'm making this video, and they are going to sell to you for 1,515 naira, 555 naira. Now you just need to fund your NGN wallet, and once you fund it, then you convert to dollars. Then you are going to now have the funds in your available balance here, and then from your available balance here, you can now go ahead to fund the card. Now once you funded the card, next you need to do is to make sure go to your PayPal. Now this is your PayPal, this is my PayPal account. Once it's your PayPal, you just need to go to this paid and get paid and click on banks and cards. And once you click on that, it's actually going to take you to this money page where you can now be able to link your banks and your card. Now if you look at here, you see that I already have this card linked. As at the moment, I have not verified this card, so that's why it's telling me to confirm your card. I don't want to confirm it just yet, but I've confirmed so many other ones. Now all you need to do, once you have this thing linked and it's working, all you just need to do, if you want to do yours, just go ahead to click on link a card. Now once you click on link a card, it's actually going to take us to this section here. All you just need to do here now is to input all our card details. So you have to go back to geekpay.africa, go back to cards, go back to view cards, and click on view details and copy all the card details and paste it right here and click on link a card. Now once you do that immediately, this GeekPay card actually works on all platforms. That is why I like the card so much. Okay, so it works on it works on all platforms. So once you link the card will be here. Then what you want to do now, if you not the next time you want to make payments online, let's say for example I want to make payment for a domain name, either Namecheap, Spacecheap, whichever company you are paying. Trust me, there are high chances those company actually uses PayPal. Now, if you want to make payments for USD and you don't know how to, you have tried your Naira card, virtual cards, and they are not working. This is actually absolutely the best way to work, because they actually accept PayPal. So you just choose to pay with PayPal, and once you choose to pay with PayPal, you can now go ahead to pay with PayPal, but the money will be charged from your card. So you want to make sure you always have balance at this your card, so that when they charge your PayPal and your PayPal charges your card, you are going to have some balance to withdraw from. Now, if you do insufficient, if you have insufficient funds here, there's no need to try, because it's not going to work. And you want to try it 3 times, they can go ahead to ban your card. So you want to make sure you keep an eye on that. Make sure you always have balance before you try to purchase anything. Now, that's one thing I love about PayPal. Actually, you can actually link your card to it, use it to make payments. Now, where the problem is when you want to receive payment. How about if you want to withdraw payments? You can't. I don't know. As at the time making this video, I have not tried to withdraw payment to this card just yet, but I don't know if it works. But even if it doesn't work, all you need to do is to link a bank. I have not linked a bank to this account as well. So once you link a bank, you can be able to withdraw into the bank, but I'm not sure of the card just yet. Okay, so guys, this is how you do it. This is how you link this is how you link a card to your PayPal account in order for you to make payments online. Now, I've told you the card to use is geekpay.africa, the card. So guys, if you have any question or anything is confusing you, tell me in the comment section and I'll be there to answer all your questions. Now, before I go, one very important thing I have to tell you is, make sure if you're going to be using this PayPal account to make payments, please, if you don't want the account to go, just make sure you maintain use it very well. What I mean is, you don't try to do anything that is going to cause your account to get disputed, or anything that is actually going to make your account have one or two issues. Okay, so make sure the card you're going to be using, you've linked it here. And what I need to tell you is, once PayPal ban your account permanently limited, I'm not sure you can be able to use that card elsewhere. So you want to make sure whichever card you're linking here, you want to make sure you have a separate PayPal where you use to for payment, to make payment with the card. Okay, which is this one I have. I make payments with this PayPal. I don't receive money with this PayPal. I have some other PayPal accounts where I can go ahead to receive payment. I can also try to make payment. If it doesn't work, no problem, but I use that PayPal to receive payment, and I use some of PayPal account to make payments. This one happens to be the one I use for making payment. So as you can see here, these are the 2 transactions I have done with the account, and you can actually do more and more if you want. So that's how to do it. And make sure anytime you link your card, they're going to tell you to confirm. They're going to send you transactions. You can go ahead to see the transactions and try as much as possible to confirm your card. Okay, I'm going to actually confirm my card later on, but as I said, I'm making this video, I have not done that. But this is actually a very fantastic way for you to link a card to your PayPal account and use it to make payments without stressing yourself. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to try as much as possible to answer as much question as possible. If you hear anything is confusing you and you need me to answer it honestly, I'll be there to answer your questions in the comment section. Okay guys, so this is how, like I said, you do it. Okay, and one more thing before I leave is, when you go to dashboard, you're going to find out that we have several currencies from this account. We have this USD, NGN, euros, pounds. Now I'm not sure if you get I'm not sure if you can get other currencies card. I don't know if you can get a euros card or a pounds card to try for all of these things. So this is what you guys are going to do for me. I don't know if you ever need a pounds account and you're trying to get a card of pounds, then you tell me. Let me even check. Okay, let me click on create a new card. I'm going to select virtual card, and okay, enter an email. You choose your nickname, and then you continue. I think they'll get to a point where you can request a GBP card. I don't know just yet, but if that is not the case, then your USD card is okay for you. You can as well use it to make payment and fund it and use it to make payments. Okay, so guys, this is the video I have for you guys, and I know it's very interesting. You're gonna understand one thing or the other from the video. So make sure you're subscribed, you turn on the bell notification icon, you like the video so that it's going to reach as many people as possible. So this is the brief video I have for you guys on how to link a card to your PayPal account for you to use it to make payments. Very, very simple. So guys, I'm going to come back on another video and explain to you on other things. Okay, so for now, I want you to enjoy yourself, be cool, and we'll talk again some other time. Thank you very much.